Good morning, students. Today we will do understanding quadrilaterals introduction part. First of all, what do you mean by a polygon? As per the word says, it is polygon. It is made up of poly and guns. Poly means many, and guns means angles. So the word polygon means many angles. Now here are some of the shapes given in which you have to keep it in mind what is a polygon. Polygon is actually a closed 2D shape which is made up of a straight line. It is not a curvical shape. It is made up of lines only. Okay, it is not a circle, it is not an open loop, it is not any other shape made up with curves. So it is what? It is the shape which is made up of straight lines. In some simple words, a simple closed curve which is made up of only line segments is a polygon. That means the simple curve, first of all, you need to keep it in mind what is a simple curve. Simple curve is the one which does not cross itself. Closed, you can easily get it, in which the starting and the ending point is same. And third thing, it is made up of line segments only. So a simple closed curve made up of only line segments is a polygon. Now the some examples of polygon. Is it a polygon? No, it is not a polygon because it is not closed. Is it a polygon? No, because it is not entirely made up of line segments. This is again not a polygon because it is crossing itself, so it is not a simple curve. So now you can easily identify which is a polygon and which is not a polygon. Now come to the regular polygons. Regular polygon is a polygon whose all sides and angles are equal. You can say it is equilateral and equiangular. The sum of angles of the polygon with n sides where n is more than 3 is 180 into n minus 2 degrees. We will do one activity based on it, which I am sending you later. Are these curves the regular polygon? No, these are having different lengths and angles are different, so these are not a regular polygon. Now come to simple and complex polygon. Simple polygon is the one which only has one boundary and the sides do not cross itself. So it is simple curve. Otherwise it will be a complex curve. Polygon. Let's take some examples of simple polygon. You can see easily the curves which are crossing itself are the complex polygon, and the curves which are not crossing itself, these are the simple polygon which are given at the top. Then comes the concave and convex polygon. A convex polygon is the one which does not have any internal angle more than 180 degrees. And if the any one internal angle is greater than the straight angle, greater than 180 degree, it is concave polygon. You can do one more definition of concave and convex polygon. You can see in concave polygon there is always an inner bend. That is the way to identify it. And in convex polygon there is no inner bend. That is one way to identify concave and convex polygon. One more way is there. If you draw the diagonals, if even one of the diagonal lies outside the curve, it is concave. If all the diagonals lies inside the curve, it is convex. Then regular and irregular polygon. Regular, which is having all interior angles and sides equal, that means equilateral and equiangular. And irregular if it is not having all the angles and sides equal, it is irregular. Now what are the different types of polygons based on its sides? According to the number of sides, you can classify the polygons. That means you can name them. If it is having 3 sides, it is triangle. 4, it is quadrilateral. 5, pentagon. 6, hexagon. 7, heptagon. 8, octagon. 9, nonagon. 10, decagon. And in the similar way, according to the number of sides, we can name them. Okay, if it is having n sides, it is n-gon. Further is the definition of diagonal. What do you mean by diagonal? A line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon is known as a diagonal. That means if you join two non-consecutive vertices of the polygon, you get a diagonal. There is a formula. How can you calculate the number of diagonals in a polygon? If n is the number of sides, you can calculate the diagonals of any polygon using the formula n into n minus 3 divided by 2. For example, 6, that means if I am taking the example of hexagon, 6 into 6 minus 3 divided by 2. So it is what? When you simplify, you get the number of diagonal is equal to 9. This is the activity which I have performed in a video which I am sending you along with this. You can see that video and you will understand this activity. Okay, this is of angle sum of quadrilateral is 360 degree.